Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing keywords everywhere and entering your API key so data appears immediately. Once done, you create a focus seed list of 10-20 niche phrases to avoid generic noise. Now open your blog editor and a browser search page side by side. This lets you test queries in context. Make sure to enable metrics like search volume, CPC, and competition in settings so you see the numbers you need while researching. You run each seed term and watch keywords everywhere populate related searches and long-tail variants. This expands your idea pool quickly. Next, sort results by search volume to find demand, then filter down by competition and CPC to prioritize realistic targets. Once you have a shortlist, export the CSV so you can work offline. Make sure to flag the top 20 targets for immediate content. This gives you a practical mix of quick wins. You now write using the primary keyword in your title and H1, and naturally include 2 or 3 LSI phrases in subheads and body so search engines understand context. Once the draft exists, check SERP intent. Make sure your article answers queries the top results serve and adjust length and structure accordingly. Finally, publish and monitor performance. If metrics fail to appear, refresh your API key, rerun the export, or clear extension cache to troubleshoot quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.